Hello, we are Group 3 and we are about to discuss analytical balance. Function of analytical balance. An analytical balance is the most precise because it has a higher readability measuring to the nearest 0.001 grams. Analytical balances usually include draught, proof, weighing chambers for precise measuring of mass and are often used alongside anti-vibration tables to increase accuracy. Next. Analytical balances are highly sensitive lab instruments designed to accurately measure mass. Analytical balances have a draft shield or weighing chamber to prevent the very small samples from being affected by air currents.
Do's and don'ts. The analytical balance is used in preparation of standard solutions that require very accurate measurement of the needed chemicals. To ensure accuracy and sensitivity of your reports, you must take the necessary safeguards and follow standard operating procedures. Do's. Number 1. Keep the analytical balance calibrated at all times. Samples are always weighed against the standard reference weights. Number 2. Make sure the balances are in a regulated humidity and temperature environment. They should not be exposed to direct sunlight since this might cause temperature fluctuations within the weighing chamber. 3. When, when weighing an object, close the balance door to prevent air currents from interfering with the reading. To prevent dust and grime from entering the balance, the operator should close the balance door when done. Lastly, 4. Always check that the balance is level before using it. Lastly, clean up any spills around the balance immediately. Kuya Geaano.
Sa akin na ba? Wait lang ah. Maingay yung aso. Hello. Okay na?
Okay na.
Rinig.
Rinig ba yung aso?
Oo.
Price lang.
Buisit eh. Wait lang.
Okay na siguro yan. Lakasan na lang boses.
Sige. Sige, start ko na. Don'ts. Number 1. Avoid placing the balances near doors or windows since this can cause air drops when they are opened or closed. This may have impact on weighing procedure. 2. Hand grease might create reading mistakes if you touch the weights with your bare hands. When depositing the samples, always use a clean set of forceps. 3. Chemicals should never be weighed in close contact with the balance pan. Use beakers, flasks, and weighing boats as containers. 4. Never weigh directly on the balance pan. Always use a piece of weighing paper to protect it. 5. Never add chemicals to a container or a piece of weighing paper while it is on the balance. Difference between direct weighing and weighing by difference. Direct weighing means that an object is placed directly on a balance and the mass read. Weighing directly requires that the balance be carefully zeroed. Read 0 did nothing on the balance pan in order to obtain accurate results.
Weighing by difference. So weighing by difference requires that two measurements be taken. These measurements can be taken in one of two ways. 1. A clean piece of weighing paper is placed on the balance and weighed. This is the first reading. The substance to be weighed out is then placed on the weighing paper and weighed. This is the second reading. The mass of the substance is determined by subtracting the first reading from the second. So mass of paper plus substance minus mass of paper equals the mass of substance. Number 2. A container holding the substance of interest is placed on the balance and weighed. This is the first reading. The substance to be used is removed from the container and the container weighed again. This is the second reading. The mass of substance taken is determined by subtracting the second reading from the first. Mass of container plus substance minus mass of container plus substance after removal is equals to mass of substance removed. That's all. Thank you for listening.